Good day, everyone. Today, we're starting a new exciting topic. It's all about electricity. Electricity powers everything around us, from the light in our homes to the phone in your hand. But how does it works? By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how electricity flows, what makes circuit works. So, let's get started. Activity 1. Understanding electricity flows. Electricity is a flow of electric charge, usually carried by electrons through a conductor, like a wire. To understand how electricity moves, let's build a simple circuit using simulation. So, open the FET simulation and find the circuit construction kit, easy and virtual lab. So, let's play it. And then, this is your workspace. Here, your workspace. And this is the materials that you're going to use in creating a circuit. So first we're gonna make a simple circuit. Let's add a battery here and also a wire here. Add more wire and extend it, and also a wire for in the bottom. Another wire and switch and light bulb. Extend it and add a wire here to connect the switch and the light bulb. And now you have your simple circuit. You can on the switch here and you can also off. So class, what do you observe when a circuit is complete? Yes, very good. The bulb lights up when the circuit is complete. But what happens when you remove a wire? So let's remove a wire here. So what happens if the wire is removed? Yes, very good. It turns off when the wire is removed. So let's connect again. So what happened? What do you observe? Yes, the bulb is light up. A complete circuit allows electricity to flow. Lighting the bulb. If the circuit is broken, electricity cannot flow and the bulb turn off. Do the activity 2, named the conductors and insulators. So the question is, which materials allows electricity to pass through and which do not? So to test that, let's make a simple circuit. Again, so add a battery here in your workspace. Along it with a wire, of course. Wire and wires and wire and wire. Perfect. And add a light bulb. Extend and don't forget switch, of course. And add another wire to connect the bulb and the switch. Align it. And what happen if we will going to put a coin? So we have our coin here and put it here in your simple circuit or in your circuit. So we're gonna put a coin and coin, and then let on it. So what do you observe? That's right. Metal are conductors, meaning they allow electricity to flow. But what happens if we remove the coin and change with it a dollar bill? Dollar bill. So what happened to the circuit? There is no electricity flows. Yes, it because rubber, paper, and glass are insulators, which stop electricity. This is why electrical wires are covered in plastic for safety. And that's end our activity today. Good job everyone. Today you learned how electricity flows, the difference between conductors and insulators. Now, let's connect this to the real life. Where do you see circuit being used in everyday life?